9 Signs you're not in love. Love, the most enchanting experience in life, is what we continuously seek, a person to share our existence with, someone who will embrace and cherish us for who we truly are, flaws and all. However, it's crucial to differentiate between being in love and being in a relationship. It's possible to be in a relationship without genuine love. Recognizing the disparity between love and infatuation can be challenging, even when the feelings inside seem confusing. In this video, we will explore several warning signs that may suggest you were never genuinely in love with your partner. But before we delve into that, please ensure to show your appreciation by liking this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our incredible content. Now, let's examine the signs indicating that what you're experiencing isn't love, but rather infatuation. Signs that you were never truly in love. Sign number 1. If you've only known each other for a brief period but already feel an intense attraction towards your partner, it could be infatuation. Infatuation occurs instantly, while true love requires time to cultivate. If you find yourself wanting to spend the majority of your time with someone you hardly know, it's likely not love. Genuine love develops gradually, fostering an increasing sense of connection as you discover more about one another. Sign number 2. If you feel hesitant to share your vulnerable thoughts and emotions with your partner, it may indicate a lack of genuine love. Self-consciousness about how you present yourself can lead to building walls, preventing you from revealing your deepest secrets to them. In contrast, when you're truly in love, you feel completely at ease in their presence. You have no fear of exposing your authentic self because you understand that, despite your imperfections, your partner will continue to love and appreciate you. Sign number 3. A longing for a flawless partner signifies an inability to accept your significant other for who they truly are. When your partner fails to meet your expectations, it triggers feelings of irritation, annoyance, displeasure, and even anger, often leading to toxic arguments. However, this isn't love but rather lust. Love is built upon acceptance and understanding. When you're genuinely in love, you embrace your partner as they are, without a desire to change them. Sign number 4. Feeling emotionally detached from your partner and experiencing a lack of communication are signs that the initial spark has faded. Over time, you may have grown apart, preferring to spend time with friends or by yourself rather than being with your partner. Making excuses to avoid being together indicates a disconnection. In contrast, when you're truly in love, no matter how busy life gets, you always make time for your partner. No obstacle or excuse can keep you apart from the person you love. If you find yourself frequently making excuses to avoid your partner, it's likely that you're not truly in love. Sign number 5. Your partner doesn't occupy your thoughts most of the time. While it's not necessary to constantly think about your partner, it can be problematic if they never cross your mind. When we are in love, we feel a sense of attachment to our partners and think about them from time to time. They are an important part of our lives. If you don't miss them during your day, even when you're busy, it may indicate that you're not truly in love. Sign number 6. Your relationship feels burdensome, causing more negative and challenging emotions than positive ones. Instead of feeling better in the presence of the right person, you find yourself stressed, on edge, and filled with anxiety. However, love should not be painful or dramatic. Genuine love is filled with passion, satisfaction, and inner peace. It makes you happy and excited whenever you're together, even if you have disagreements. If your intuition tells you that this relationship is wrong for you, it's likely true. Sign number 7. Your relationship lacks meaning and depth. It feels forced and superficial. Neither of you are willing to put in the effort to strengthen your connection. True, unconditional love can never feel shallow. It can help you discover a renewed sense of purpose in life and create a genuine bond. Love adds meaning to your life and inspires personal growth. Sign number 8. You find yourself seeking other options and feeling attracted to others. Although you may feel guilty, thoughts of cheating on your partner seem intriguing and thrilling. When you're truly in love, your partner is the only person on your mind. Love thrives on loyalty, faithfulness, honesty, and purity, even during the toughest times. If you can't envision a future with your partner and aren't ready for commitment, it's likely that it isn't love. Sign number 9. Ending the relationship and moving on feels effortless for you, as you believe a better option awaits. However, walking away from true love can be difficult and emotionally devastating. It can have a profound personal impact. If the thought of losing your partner doesn't make you feel scared or worried, then it's a clear indication that you're not in love. If you can relate to any of these signs and find yourself unhappy in your relationship, it's better to walk away so that true love can finally enter your life. We would love to hear your thoughts and experiences with true love and relationships. Please feel free to share your opinions below. Remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.